Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an update on my skin and how I got rid of my acne scars. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you know about a year ago I had a really bad reaction to a skincare product and my face just went crazy and I had a lot of leftover acne scars all over my face, and it took quite some time for it to go away. So one of the main things that helped my acne scarring was microneedling, which is another word for collagen induction therapy. So the microneedling system that I've been using more recently is by Banisher, and this is their Banisher 2.0. I prefer this type of microneedling over the roller because of the way that it is shaped. The rolling motion doesn't create an even downward pressure, and it's rolling into an angle that actually causes the microchannels to not be as narrow as they could be. So that is why I prefer the Banisher 2.0. I think it's a lot more effective. This also has 24 karat gold coated titanium bristles, which promotes collagen production. It has finer and sharper bristles, and it also is less irritating. So you can use this once a week instead of every 2 weeks. So if you guys have never tried out microneedling, some of the benefits are that it improves the appearance of acne scars, of course, hyperpigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles. It gives you a firmer skin, even skin tone, increase the effectiveness of topical skincare. So once you put in your skincare after this, it goes on a lot easier and it absorbs into your skin better. And it also works for all skin types. So to get started, all you have to do is put a little bit of alcohol into this cap and fill it up to disinfect the product. And I love that this product comes with a cap, so it makes the disinfecting process a lot easier. So you're going to disinfect the needles for about 5 minutes and then let it air dry for about 2 minutes before you put it on your skin. You want to do this on clean skin, freshly washed skin, as well as make sure you wash your hands as well. Make sure everything is clean. So I like to start in the middle of my face, and I will just pull my skin back. As you can see, I'm kind of stretching out my skin. And I am going ahead and stamping these needles into my skin. Now, it doesn't really hurt that much to me, but in some areas it will hurt more than others. And I basically just focus on the areas where I have the discoloration and hyperpigmentation and go from there. You don't want to use this on any type of active acne or breakouts because you don't want to spread the bacterial infection. So you're basically just going to focus on any areas that have hyperpigmentation, dark spots, or deep pitted acne scars, but no active acne. So this is something that I personally do probably every 3 weeks. This is not something that you should do every day. So after you are finished, make sure that you sterilize the Banisher once again and then let it air dry and store it. And always put the cap back on when you're finished. So after you are done stamping your face, you will notice that your face is really red and it may look irritated. So that is when you're going to go ahead and put the Banisher oil on your face. And this oil is formulated to use after the microneedling, and it does come with the Banisher when you purchase it. So this product has glycerin, it has vitamin C, aloe vera, it has rosehip oil, a bunch of great ingredients. And after microneedling, you don't want to use any type of product that has a lot of chemicals in it. So that is why this oil is perfect to use after your session. So this is something that I would do during the nighttime so I can wake up the next morning and I will be completely fine. This is not something that I would do during the day. You want to avoid wearing makeup, any type of sun exposure for 12 hours. So that is why it is perfect to do at nighttime. But with acne scarring and acne scars, remember that this is not something that will just fix your face overnight. It does take quite some time for your skin to heal itself. But always remember that our skin is constantly, and our body is constantly trying to heal itself. So it took about 4 months for me to see like a huge improvement. So remember to just have patience and don't worry. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. I will put all of the products that I mentioned in today's video down below in the description box so you can check it out, as well as other acne and skincare videos that I have that may help you guys. So yeah, if you guys are not following me on social media, you can follow me at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.